This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining clear, measurable goals. Pick 3 physics topics to master this week and 6 representative problems to solve. Break study into focused 25-minute study blocks with 5-minute breaks, repeating 4 times for 1 Pomodoro cycle, then take a longer 15 to 20-minute break. Block calendar time and treat it like an appointment. Aim to study at least 1 hour daily or 5 hours spread across the week. Keep a simple progress log and review it for 10 minutes each Sunday to adjust priorities and keep interest high. Shift emphasis from passive reading to active problem solving. Begin each session with 1 quick warm-up problem to engage physical intuition. Structure practice to solve at least 10 problems across levels in a week. 3 easy to build confidence, 5 medium for skill, and 2 hard to stretch understanding. After each problem, spend about 5 minutes reflecting and writing 1 key insight or mistake correction. Use worked examples only to scaffold, then attempt similar problems from different sources to keep challenge and interest high. Build lasting interest by connecting ideas. Explain concepts aloud or teach a friend for 20 minutes to expose gaps and reinforce memory. Create a 1-page summary sheet that links core equations to physical conditions and common pitfalls, and use it to quiz yourself. Rely on spaced review with intervals at 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days after initial learning to move knowledge into long-term memory. Finally, mix in short projects or real-world problems to see physics applied, which sustains curiosity and motivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.